Hi children, how are you? Welcome. We are going to learn about sound. We have to sing a song of sound. Okay, let us sing. Apple. Boo 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 ball. Coo 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 cat. Do 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 duck. Elephant. Foo 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 fish. For apple. Boo for ball. Coo for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. Foo for fish. Very good. Can you repeat again? Apple. Boo 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 ball. Coo 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 cat. Do 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 duck. Elephant. Foo 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 fish. For apple. Boo for ball. Coo for cat. Do for duck. E for elephant. Foo for fish. Very good. Now we are going to read sound. Okay, let us start. Sound A. A for apple. Boo for ball. Coo for cat. Can you cry like a cat? Meow. Meow. Coo for cat. Do for duck. Can you cry like a duck? Quack, 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 quack. Do for duck. E for elephant. Can you cry like elephant? True. E for elephant. Very good. Foo for fish. Foo for fish. Can you swim like fish? Fish is swimming like. Foo for fish. Very good. Now today we are going to trace sound A for elephant. Sound A for elephant. Say A for elephant. Very good. Ivana, say A for elephant. Good. Audrey, say A for elephant. Very good. Ian, say A for elephant. Well done. Now, this is sound foo. Sound foo. Foo for fish. Foo for fish. Can you swim like fish? Foo for fish. Foo for fish. So we are going to trace sound foo for fish. We are going to trace sound A. A for elephant. A for elephant. You have to follow the dot. Round. A for elephant. A for elephant. Sound A. Sound A for elephant. Sound A for elephant. Sound A for elephant. You have to follow the dot. Which sound is this, Hashim? A for elephant. Very good. Now we are going to trace F for fish. We have finished to trace A for elephant, then we are going to trace F for fish. F for fish. You have to follow the dot. F for fish. Good. Down, close, and cut. F for fish. Down, close, and cut. Very good. F for fish. Down, close, and cut. Wonderful. This is F for fish, and then we are going to color F for fish. You have to color inside. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. Sound F. Adriel, can you say sound F? Wow, good. Evangeline, say sound F. Very good. Milad, say sound F. Very good. F for fish. Now I'm finished to color sound F for fish. Very good. Thank you, my children. So you have to do your work. Good.